New task manager sucks, so I made my own. I call it OpTask. It has much better features, things like a pause button to find those annoying tasks that move everywhere, or you could just enable freeze on right click. Oh, okay. That needs fixing actually. You can also collapse the groups or just have none by disabling group type. My program displays what's admin, has an enable idle close feature to close stuff while you're away, and truly what sets mine apart from Task Manager, besides all those features, is Insights, a disk scanner, and a system health scan. Insights in Health Scan I find most useful as you can see what's truly impacting your PC with Insights, and a health scan gives you an overall stats on your PC, what may be causing problems.